Everyone who visits the airport must be prepared to show proper airport documentation required by the airport. On July 15, 2025, the Dallas-Fort Worth Airport Police Department was called to the scene at the airport for reports of that passenger.
Hey, Vaughn.
Morning.
How you doing?
Doing all right. How are you?
Good.
How you doing?
Who's the passenger?
So he's been changing his story now. He said he flies all the time, but now he say, "Oh no, I'm just going to arrivals now."
You're just going what?
Now he's going to arrivals to pick up somebody. It's like, but he's like, "No, I travel all the time with that passport." Then now he start getting a little nervous. But there's nothing over here. And you see, this one shouldn't be at all.
That shouldn't be there?
No, at all. We don't even know what is that.
It's like the little address that's circled in the black on that second page. It's the same address on every page. That's not a unique.
Yes, it doesn't have nothing physical.
Hey,
with it.
get back over here.
Can I see your boarding pass real quick?
Come here. Get over here. I'm not done with you. Go. Go over here. Is there would there be any reason for that to be fake?
No.
Do you have your ID on you?
They've already asked me all these questions.
Well, I'm asking you different questions. Can I get your ID?
I don't have a physical ID, sir.
You don't have a physical ID.
No.
Do you have
That's my only ID.
That's your only ID? Where are you from?
Huh?
Where are you from?
Plano.
Plano? Did you have a Texas ID ever?
I don't drive anymore. I'm not sure.
Okay. What's your first name?
Zen.
How do you spell that?
Z-E-N.
Z-E-N? I don't have your passport right now because you walked away. Huh?
I said a lot of cops can't spell that, so I appreciate your understanding.
Yeah, Yang. I mean, that's pretty easy.
No, they can't even spell Smith.
Really?
No.
So it's Y-A-N-G.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
They basically told me I need to get a new passport.
Okay. What did they say?
They said I'm missing a page.
You're missing a page? Okay. Where are you flying to?
I'm not.
You're not flying?
I told them I want to go to D for arrivals, and American Airlines told me that I can catch Skylink through here, and I realized that was probably a bad idea. I should have taken the yellow.
But do you have a boarding pass or anything? For a flight to catch anyone?
Why
Okay.
would I have one?
I'm just wondering.
I got an American Airlines tag.
You got what?
I got a tag from American Airlines. Tag.
What's the tag for?
I don't know. They gave it to me.
They did?
AA did, yeah. That's my ID, by the way. You see my ID? That's my ID.
That's your... Last name's in B.
How's it going, man?
What's up? Late to the party.
Wait for who I am?
Yeah.
Is it a party? What kind of party is it, man?
White and Asian, you're not invited.
Oh,
Blacks are
I tend to invite myself. I don't need the invitation.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Rude.
You flying out, man?
No. I answered that 5 times.
Okay.
Can I get that cross real quick again? Stand by. Appreciate it. You cool if I you cool if I go talk to them? You cool if I go talk to them?
Yeah.
Okay. Huh?
Do you guys see the passport? Can I have your name so I
Yeah,
have to
go
make a
ahead.
report?
Did he show you guys a boarding pass?
No. Like I said, because we have this machine, it's called CAT machine, We only need the passport. We need the ID. So when we requested the ID, because the person that, but because I fly all the time, I don't know what's going on with this. But then I was like, okay, let me ask more questions, more questions. So, but where's your boarding pass? To see where was he going. And then he's like, oh, well, I don't have a boarding pass. I said, well, you don't have a boarding pass because, I'm just going to arrival. So now it changes like from flying all the time to I'm going to arrival. So like
Yeah.
So that's why we didn't request the boarding pass because only we needed the passport to scan it, and then it will pull all his information from his.
And it didn't scan.
Because there's no page.
Oh, it's missing.
There's no page. It's missing the front page with your picture is.
Yeah, yeah.
It's completely gone.
Oh, it's not there.
It's
at
not
all.
there. So let me show you. I don't know. You guys need to look at it.
You guys know my name. I know your name.
Is that it right there?
It's on it?
Yeah, I see it's missing a page.
It's missing the page with his face on it.
Okay.
He got like a visa there.
I've never seen the address written in it. That could just be me, but if you stick it under the UP, that's not.
That's no marking.
That's not. That's on.
Would you like a number?
Yeah, we will.
Well, okay.
I'll get to you
Okay, perfect.
after I get done with him. Because we have extra tools, I believe, that we can make sure.
Okay, that you guys can, yes.
I'm going to call my sergeant because he's more familiar with
Okay,
it.
perfect. With what you do.
But he didn't say he was flying anywhere. At first, he was a freaking
So at
flower.
first he came up here to present the ID, and so the lady checked it because if you have the ID, you just stick it face down, and there it reads the face side of everything.
Yeah.
It shows the information for
But
his
it didn't
flight.
For the
have
flight.
face.
And then he came up to me, I came up and I was like, what do you have? And he showed me like this passport and pulled it out of like this white envelope. And he was like, she gave me this to use. I'm supposed to go to D terminal because they're supposed to give me the D, but I'm supposed to take like a Skylink to C10. I was like, okay, that's not making any sense.
Yeah.
So then I called the manager and then he told her a different story than what he was telling me.
Because
I
he's
never
like,
heard
I fly
anything
all
on
the
and around.
time. And I said, so when do you notice that you don't have the page? He's like, I just do right now.
Yeah, he
I
kept
fly
telling-
all the time over the week. I said,
He
well,
kept telling me he
like,
could,
okay.
like he could show me his Costco membership and Sam's membership to get in. I was like, I can't do that. Like,
And I
gotta
said, well,
do
let me see them to make sure if I see it. I said, I have a name.
Yeah.
But he's like, oh, no, I just have my app. And I was like, oh.
Yeah, and then he's like, I have pictures of an ID, but then he told her he hasn't had an ID in Texas for 20
For 20 years. Like he's been living in Plano for 20 years. Like, he
He's
doesn't
got a
have-
valid ID.
He does?
Yeah, he does.
Oh.
Now what
So
he
I've been
told
in Dallas.
us.
I said, how long you been living here? 20 years. I said, you don't have an estate issue?
Can I just get your...
It's
no,
backwards.
The cider. no,
Somebody made me aware earlier. Like, I know your name. Something like that, so I can put
I
it
have
on
no
the
idea.
community. Just
I'm going to have my sergeant come
Okay.
take a look at this.
perfect. Okay, back up.
Look right that camera.
All right, thank you. Appreciate it. Yep. Can you go over there, please? Okay, and he doesn't have a valid Texas DL. Well, I can't even do that because he's missing a page in it. So that's why I called Sergeant Callahan, because he's more familiar with fraud. Oh. Did you just get bonded out? For drugs? Or controlled substances or whatever?
Denton County.
Yeah. How did you get here?
I got an Uber picking me up right now.
Well, how did you get here?
I Ubered.
You Ubered here? Okay, from Plano? Okay. When'd your house go up for sale?
It's been on sale for the last 6 months.
Oh, okay. Okay. So I'm just going to have my sergeant come and take a look at it because he's more familiar. And we'll go from there, okay? I appreciate you being cooperative, but you running away like that, that's a little weird, okay?
Well, I didn't come back because I didn't
Yeah.
want him to be in the line.
Yeah. Okay. Just hang on, okay? So when they put under the light, it has writing along here in different language when it's not supposed to. And they could show me compared to an actual passport. It doesn't have that. So
Is the information in there correct?
it's missing a page. It doesn't even have his
Picture and
all it does is
Picture of him for roll up video on board, so it doesn't come through a different checkpoint.
You want my hat off?
You can keep it on.
You said you were picking up somebody?
I was trying to.
Who you trying to pick up? A friend, relative?
Friend.
Friend? Okay. Where's he flying in from?
China.
China? What's his name?
My uncle.
Your uncle? Okay. Do you have his flight number?
I just go to the Terminal D and tell him
So you don't have his flight number?
not in my head.
Do you have it written down?
I assume I have it written down somewhere.
Huh?
I think so, but my Ubers are here.
But they're gonna have to wait, okay?
Pick up him anymore. I already told him that something happened, so he's got to figure out how to get home.
Did you take a page out of it? Because it's missing that, you know, the page that has your picture and all that?
I didn't do it.
Who did it? You don't know?
Probably my girlfriend. We broke up. I don't have any proof that I filed charges without proof.
I mean, you'd take that up with your girlfriend, so. He has a Texas DL, but he doesn't have it on him.
I surrendered that.
Text deal?
Yeah, I don't
You know the DL number? I know that's I mean, I know mine, but not everybody knows this DL number. You know your DL number?
can I say something funny or offensive? You ready? You're too smart to be black.
Okay.
I don't know any black person that memorized that deal.
Yeah,
The first one.
I do know mine, sir. And I'm
You know Trump got nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize?
offended. I get it's hard to offend me.
Trump got nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize. He posted it, and he's now as good as Obama because he and Obama both have a Nobel Peace Prize. My ride's here in 3 minutes.
Okay.
Do you know Zone 11 is right out there?
Right out there and to the right. And I see the sergeant walking up, so he's
Is he coming up? Sarge. So he presented this up there. He said he flies that all over. He said he flies that all the time, but didn't present a boarding pass to him, but presented this because somebody told me he had to take a Skylink over to see. But
does he have it
missing
ticking?
the first no. He's saying it. But when you start questioning more and more, you start walking away, so I had to sit. But he is missing the first page.
Okay.
But when you put it underneath the scanner, it has writing all over down here. When we put it up against another one, a normal passport, and didn't have any writing. That's why I called you here.
It's this. I know this guy.
You know him?
Yeah. This guy's a problem. We've dealt with this guy at Terminal D before.
I called you over here.
Yeah, go ahead and you have to criminal trespass this guy. You're detained right now. Do you have another form of identification on you?
I've been asked that 10 times, and TSA just took me a photo.
What?
TSA just took me a photo. And
Okay. Give me 1 second here.
Here's right here.
Hey, I don't remember if you were with us on the call, but do you remember the Asian guy at the D22 by the valet stand? He was in the hotel causing a problem, taking his shirt off, laying on the ground. Remember that guy? Is Turner there with you? Criminal trespass out of Terminal D, David. To confirm that this
Are you going to reimburse me for missing my Uber ride? That's a serious question.
Huh?
Who can I talk to get reimbursed for
You're
missing?
going to have to do that through the app on Uber.
She's pretty cute. She's waiting for me out right there. I love it.
Yeah, you're not free to leave. You're detained.
You remember me from the last time? Yes, sir. Okay. You remember me from last time?
I do. So why were you coming up to the checkpoint?
I was trying to get on Skybus.
Skyway. You don't have a ticket with you?
I told him I don't have a ticket because I was trying to get on the Skybus.
I mean, the Skylink? I don't think so.
You believe me? White boy, no pink slip, racist.
You make a lot of racist comments. You know that?
My name is Black Dave Chappelle. I'm black.
I'm just saying, you make a lot of racist comments.
They don't want me in Denton County. Trust me.
You know, if you were somewhere out in the street somewhere, those comments can really do some damage to you. You know that?
Thanks God I don't live in the streets.
It's a good deal.
The Sarge fucking knows me. Am I famous?
I mean, whatever interaction you had with them back in D, over at the Grand, was it the Grand Hyatt?
What I called you? Do you know what I called Sarge that pissed him off?
Huh.
Tried to taser me?
You've been tased?
No, he wanted to.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
Okay. Why was that? What were you doing?
I asked him to tase me.
Oh, okay. You don't want that.
I told him that if you tase me and I don't fall to the ground, it means I'm for the God of Thunder.
You're for the God of okay.
He didn't think that was funny, actually. And then he's like,
So,
Sarge, when are you gonna retire, man?
Not for a while, man. That's why we got stuff coming out here.
he said you fed them pretty good the last time.
Witness statement forms over there, man?
We should have. Yeah.
Can you go ahead and generate a witness statement and make sure you indicate what he stated to you, okay?
Thank you. All right, so remember, like I said, criminal trespass warning here for Terminal B. Come back, be arrested, okay? I need you to put everything down, okay?
Huh?
Take the shoulder bag off. Take everything off. Set that down.
You handcuff me?
Just stand up.
Put everything else in.
All right. So you are under arrest for tampering and building a red light. So please click pause. Appreciate you being cooperative this time. Alright, I'm gonna head downstairs, okay? Be a TSA also because he tried to enter to the checkpoint. There's 3 over here? Is there 3 over here? Okay. He can pretty quick, so.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Funny. I didn't arrest anyone for fraud. I must be the first one ever.
No?
Happens.
There's a lot of different types of
It
fraud.
happens.
What's this? Am I going to the nice state jail felony or what is this?
We'll have to figure out what the charge is.
Oh.
It's tampering with the governmental record. We just don't know the level. It's more than likely a felony. So,
You ever my girlfriend did it?
huh?
You ever my girlfriend did it?
You're the one that presented it at the checkpoint. Is there a car downstairs or something?
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.